nowadays smart buildings are becoming more common in cities throughout the world. Smart building can be defined as a building that incorporates technology and process to produce a facility that is safer, more pleasant, and more productive for its users. Advanced technology combined with improved design, construction, and operation process create a superior indoor environment that improves all people comfort and productivity. So our group decided to choose Tun Razak Exchange as smart project for this assignment due to the smart city element residing in the project. The Tun Razak Exchange, formerly known as Kuala Lumpur International Financial District, is a mega project with more than 3.5 billion owned by 1 MDB. These sustainable buildings, extensive green areas, car parks, as well as rooftop gardens are the building and infrastructure included in the TLX. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I'm going to proceed to the Smart Project Management Practice. George T. Doran developed the SMART goal planning acronym in 1991 to make the goal setting more practical. It helped organizations set their goals and objectives in more practical way. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound is an acronym that stands for SMART. To be effective, every project's aims must correspond to the SMART criteria. Specific means the goal should be clear and focus on a specific area of improvement. Measurable means the goals must be something that can be quantified or at least allow for measurable progress. Achievable means the objective must be reasonable in light of available resources and current constraints. Relevant means the goal or purpose should be aligned with other corporate objectives to be considered worldwide. Time-bound means the goal must have deadline or end date in order to set realistic goals for the time for realization.
My name is Nur Amal Syuhada and I will present about the description of the SMART project, which is Tun Razak Exchange in Kuala Lumpur. The name of the project is Tun Razak Exchange. Site area of the project development is 70 acre or 30 hectare. The number of the building that will be built for the Tun Razak Exchange is 30 buildings. The gross development value of this project is 40 billion ringgit. This project development was launched in 2012 by the former Prime Minister, which is Datuk Seri Najib Tun Abdul Razak. The type of the project is mixed development. The reason is the 30 building that has been built in this development consists of commercial, residential, and office building. These are the 8 names of the building in Tun Razak Exchange development. First is the Exchange 106 Towers, the TRS Resident, TRS MRT Station, Menara Prudential, Menara IQ, Menara Afin, the Exchange TRS and City Park, and lastly is Core Residence. As for the nature of the project development, Tun Razak Exchange development has been designed as the smart district. The reason is there are comprehensive digital infrastructure that will be integrated with the physical element within the district. Regardless of that, TIMS, which is stand for TRS Integrated Management System, has been created, and it is a key system that will be controlling everything within the district. For example, in terms of building, asset, tunnel system, public system, facility, security, traffic, and everything. There are 9 smart surveys that have been highlighted based on the official website of Tun Razak Exchange development. First is the Internet of Things IoT for the service optimizations. Second is the TRS MRT station that will be linked with 6 major off-roads and highway. Third is camera with automatic incident detection. Fourth is waste programs. Fifth is telecommunication infrastructure that will be fully fiberized and scalable. C is smart electricity meters. 7 is KAPTA, KAPTA probes will evaluate water safety. It is weather sensor that will be detect the weather condition. And lastly is the security. The security officer on the ground will be complemented with the live video feeds and the surveillance system and analytics. So the main objective for Tun Razak Exchange development is to create a modern world-class district that transcends with the latest technology and aims to meet the people needs and demand, improve quality of life, adaptive, and enhance the visitor experience. Tun Razak Exchange development is a development that will create a new region of financial and business in Kuala Lumpur. SMART is referred to specific, measurable, achievable, relevance, and time-bound. Specific, the goal for Tun Razak Exchange development is to create a smart modern city that will set up Kuala Lumpur as a new region for financial and business. In order to achieve this objective, the TRS Integrated Management System, which is TIMS, has been developed fully to control everything within the district. Since the initial phase 1 has been completed in 2017 and 2018, this project has achieved a Malaysian First Master Plan to has received a Platinum Neighborhood Level Professional Green Building Index, which stands for GBI certification, and LEED Gold certification. For relevant category, according to TRS official website, multifunctional platform and digital service will be provided, such as to install automatic incident detection camera to identify the abnormal traffic. It is relevant to install AIT within the district. Lastly is a time-bound category. Tun Razak Exchange project development will complete the construction within the 15 years or 20 years with several phases. In this development, the main building target, which is the Exchange 106 Tower, which is the new signature for Kuala Lumpur, has been completed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fazliatul Najiha. So today I will talk about the management team of the Tun Razak Exchange. First is the developer. Developer gives funding for the project and makes the project decision. And they are responsible to select a professional team for the project. Okay, next is the contractor. A contractor is hired is to complete the entire construction, who oversee all part of the project. They plan and coordinate the supplies, labor, equipment. And then engineer is divided into two, which is consultant, mechanical, and electrical engineer, which is oversee the electrical part and also the installation and providing a service for the building itself. And then next, the crucial thing is a project manager, which is responsible to manage the whole project and monitoring and ensure the smoothness of the project and oversee project planning, execution, monitoring, control, and closure. Next is the architect, which to ensure the physical appearance and the structure are practically safe. And then the consultant, who are highly specialized responsibilities in to avoid the delays, lapse, meet operational goal, and boost the return of investment of the building. And then the designer who manage design and gives the vision and strategy for it. And lastly, for the quantity surveyor, it also known as cost consultant, that guarantee the construction stay within the budget. So that's all from me from the management team. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anadlina, and today I'll present on disruptive technology and digital application used at Exchange 106. So, in 2019, the tallest tower in Malaysia, surpassing the height of KLCC, was completed, making the KLCC the second tallest tower in Malaysia. Exchange 106 was developed by a Malay developer that made Exchange 106 has achieved LEED for neighborhood development, Gold Conditional Approval, Green Building Index Township Professional Platinum, and also MIC status. It shows that this development emphasizes the importance of the environment while offering several technologies such as first one is high performance insulated glass technology. The Exchange 106 building has 106 floors where the entire facade of the buildings use laminated glass walls. The technology applied to this building is high performance insulated glass technology supplied by DDG Glass Company. The company has supplied insulated glass for exterior and also interior design, where this glass still allow sunlight to enter, but at the same time it prevents heat from penetrating into the building due to the high level of the thermal insulation on the glass. So, in addition, the use of insulated glass technology can also reduce the use of artificial lighting significantly because it has provided daytime lighting and even appropriate glare control. It is clear that the use of insulated glass technology in project management casts doubt on the huge energy saving potential for the buildings. Secondly, is the energy efficient technology is the most important component in the development since the uninterrupted supply of electricity is needed to turn on the existing zones that it can be used by all the occupants of the building. Therefore, apart from supplying sufficient electricity to the Exchange 106 building, Mulya Group developer also has supplied the building with electricity efficiency technology where it can save electricity consumption. In collaboration with the Energy Commission under the name of Minimum Energy Performance Standard (MEPS), has introduced a 5-star efficiency program which is applied to electrical appliances that use high domestic energy such as refrigerators, televisions, air conditioning, fans, as well as lighting. Therefore, MEPS will monitor the electrical equipment used in the Exchange 106 building, so it can complies with the rules and also achieve maximum efficiency standards. Thirdly is LED lighting technology, where the main system for the tall building is lighting, where a good and quality lighting system is needed. In fact, it consumes around 17% of the total electrical energy. Thus, Exchange 106 has used LED lighting to reduce high electricity consumption in areas such as the roof of a building consisting of 12 floors. So the use of LEDs in the Exchange 106 building is very easy to control because its output power is directly proportional to the level of dimming, making it possible to detect the presence of the occupants or occupancy status, whether the area is occupied or unoccupied, as well as during the day to control the lighting. So, in fact, the use of LED lights during the day is measured through the level of illumination in the area. Furthermore, LED lighting also use a scheduling strategy where the use of LED has been set by based on needs and also operating time using by a timer. So this can be seen that the LED lights that adorn the top of the Exchange 106 building, where they have been controlled using a timer and have been set to turn on the lights at night only. So last but not least, the technology that been used in Exchange 106 is the sustainable technology that has been applied in the Exchange 106 building. So in this modern era, many people are racing to the building construction all over the area to reach a developed country without thinking about the impact that will happen in the future. So it can be seen that the development and construction industry has had a significant impact on environmental pollution, waste, and also degradation. So therefore, Mulya Group Developer has built Exchange 106 with a sustainable technology that can help reduce the use of natural resources for the raw materials for the constructions. So it can be seen that the use of sustainable building technologies in Exchange 106 buildings, such as insulated glass, high efficiency air conditioning and also ventilation system, LED lighting, as well as intelligent building management system and sensors that will analyze building data to determine energy consumption and others. So in addition, the sustainability of the building can be seen in the 2.67 million square feet of rentable area, as it has been built with recycled materials and sustainable wood. So this shows that the Exchange 106 building use sustainable technology that can be used as an opportunity for creative experimentation in the industry. So that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzat, and now I would like to talk about the sustainable strategies that is being implemented in Tun Razak Exchange. Firstly, I would like to talk about the reusing and their recycling of construction waste, which reduce and recycle their 90% of the construction waste to reduce the burden on their landfills. Next, I would like to talk about their zero waste aspirations, and by 2030, they aim to make this a reality by different designs. and also a sustainably conscious retailing, which making a difference at grassroots level by delivering sustainably conscious shops on their tenants to focus on energy and water efficiency, and also becoming more water efficient by recycling their irrigation and also other purpose by 500 liters or 200 Olympic sized swimming pools. That's a 60 to 70% of reduction in their own water efficiency. Okay, in conclusion, a great project manager is someone who oversees a project by combining different skills to meet the outline of their goals, which is by employing and customizing their methodologies, tools, and strategy to manage their team and stakeholders and moving the project forward by maintaining social, environmental, and human rights protection. And our project, which is the Tun Razak Exchange, a 70-acre development by YMDB, uses a different green technologies by using and employ their newest smart city technologies by becoming a digital backbone that will also play a vital part in their resources of efficiency, constant monitoring that is conducted by rapid and targeted control to reduce wasting across the district. Okay, that's all from me and us. Thank you and have a very good day.